Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use circle to search to find an item online on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you want to identify an item in a photo or a video or maybe in real life, you can basically activate the circle to search. So you can draw around it and Google will instantly tell you what it is, where to buy or find similar items. So here we'll go ahead and search for a following item. So say for example, this Galaxy Watch here. So I'll go ahead and turn on my camera. Next, I'll go ahead and point it and I'll start the circle to search. I'll go ahead and long press on my home screen. I'll go ahead and circle this. So the Galaxy Watch. So as you can see, it has now circled it and it has basically shown me. So the image shows the packaging for Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So here are the features, compatibility, model, availability, and the pricing. If I scroll down, I can find more information about it. Here it basically tells me where to buy this watch. I can go ahead and go over to the Samsung Watch to buy any accessories for it. And then it basically shows me other items which I can buy, maybe a second-hand version from eBay. And then I can go ahead and see all the different accessories which are available for this watch. So as you can see, you can instantly shop what you see. You can recognize landmarks, products, styles. So it's great for visual learners or impulse buyers on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to use circle to search to find items online using your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.